If you're considering getting NetBuddy eSIM for international travel, there are a few things you should know before purchasing. In this video, we'll break down 12 key aspects of the NetBuddy eSIM to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs, especially when compared to other eSIM options on the market. First off, NetBuddy eSIM is designed for ease of use, allowing you to stay connected while traveling internationally without the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards. The activation process is quick and simple, which is a huge advantage over traditional SIM cards that often require you to visit stores or go through complicated setups. Next thing, NetBuddy eSIM offers global coverage, which is ideal for travelers. Unlike other eSIM providers that focus on specific regions, NetBuddy offers coverage in over 100 countries, making it a solid choice for globetrotters. However, if you're primarily traveling to a specific region, some competitors might offer better localized plans. The third thing to consider is the data packages. NetBuddy provides several flexible data plans depending on your needs. Whether you need a small amount of data for light browsing or more for heavy use like streaming or work, there's something for everyone. But, compared to some other eSIM providers, NetBuddy's plans may not always be the most affordable. The fourth thing is pricing. NetBuddy's prices are competitive, but if you're looking for the cheapest option, it may not always be the best deal for short trips. Some competitors have better value for short-term plans, especially if you're only traveling for a week or two. Another consideration is how easy it is to manage your plan. NetBuddy makes it convenient with a simple app to manage your data usage, change plans, and top up as needed. However, some other eSIM providers have more advanced apps with additional features, like usage alerts, or easier ways to switch plans mid-trip. Next up, NetBuddy offers excellent customer service. Their team is responsive and available through multiple channels. If you're someone who needs help on the go, this is a big plus. That said, some other eSIM services provide 24/7 live chat, which might be more appealing if you're traveling to time zones where NetBuddy's support hours don't align with yours. The seventh thing to note is that the NetBuddy eSIM works with most unlocked smartphones, which means it's a convenient option if you have a recent model. But if your phone is not compatible with eSIMs, you're out of luck unless you upgrade your device. The eighth point is the network speeds. While NetBuddy eSIM offers fast speeds in many countries, the performance can vary depending on your location. In some places, you might find slower speeds compared to other providers that partner with top local networks in each country. The ninth thing to keep in mind is that NetBuddy doesn't require a contract. This gives you the flexibility to cancel your plan or switch countries without being locked into long-term commitments, which is an advantage over traditional SIM providers. The 10th thing is the ease of recharging your eSIM with NetBuddy. It's straightforward and can be done directly through their app, but in some cases, you might find it easier to top up with other services that offer more payment methods or integration with local payment platforms. The 11th thing is the fact that you can use NetBuddy eSIM alongside your regular SIM card, which makes it a great choice for people who want to keep their home number active while using the eSIM for data. This dual SIM functionality is something that sets it apart from some other services that require you to choose between your regular SIM and the eSIM. Finally, NetBuddy is a solid eSIM option overall, but if you're looking for the best combination of affordability, coverage, and speed, it might not always be the best fit depending on your specific travel needs. If you're after a better option, we recommend trying out our solution, which you can check out for free.